In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Wayfair referral link, affiliate how-to. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and head to CJ Affiliate by typing cj.com. This is the affiliate platform that hosts the Wayfair program. On the home page, click the login button. When the sign-in page loads, enter the email address associated with your CJ account, then click Continue. Next, enter your password and click Continue again to reach your dashboard. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that as prompted. Once you're in your CJ dashboard, look to the top menu and click Advertisers. This is where you manage all brand relationships. In the search bar, type Wayfair. When Wayfair appears in the results, check the status column. You want to see active there. That means your account is approved to promote Wayfair and earn commissions. If it's not active, you won't be able to generate links yet, so make sure your account status is in good standing before moving forward. Click on Wayfair from your active advertiser list to open the program details. Then navigate to the Links tab. Here, you'll see all the promotional assets Wayfair provides, including banners for your website, text links for blogs or social posts, and product links. Banners are great for visual placements, while text links are versatile and easy to add anywhere you share content. If you want to link to a specific product or category page on Wayfair, create a deep link, also called a custom referral link. Look for the deep link or link generator tool within the CJ interface for Wayfair. Copy the exact Wayfair URL you want your audience to land on, paste it into the tool, and generate the tracking link. This adds your unique tracking parameters, so any eligible purchase can be credited to you. When you found the link you want, whether it's a standard text link, a banner code, or your new deep link, copy your affiliate link. You can keep it ready in a Notes app, your content planner, or your website's CMS so you can use it consistently across platforms. It's a good idea to test the link by opening it in a private browser window to confirm it loads the correct page with tracking intact. Now you're set. Anyone who clicks your Wayfair affiliate link and makes a qualifying purchase will earn you a commission. Share your link where it makes sense for your audience, and keep an eye on your CJ dashboard to monitor clicks and earnings.